this class? We did perimeter and area of complex shapes. True or false? Say again. True. I need you guys to all be part of this here. Eyes up on the screen. All right, complex. Figure, complex shape. Figure and shape mean the same thing. A complex figure is made up of two or more what? Give me an example of a basic shape. Together, apart, those are basic shapes, right? But if you put these two shapes together, like right here, we now have a complex shape, yes? Eyes are up on the screen. It doesn't look like it. This is already taking too long. You guys know area is the space on the, and perimeter is the around the shape, right? Okay, cool. Formulas. I'm not going to go through formulas except for this one right here. When you have a triangle, you need to make sure you divide by what? 2. Don't forget that. All right. Chunking. On the count of 3, let's read this together. 1, 2, 3. All right, so to find the perimeter of this thing right here, I don't know if you guys remember, but I gave you this side, this side, this side, and this side, yes? You did not get this and this, yes? But we could figure out what this and this was based on the other sides of the shape. True or false? True. So once we got perimeter, we added them all together, we're good to go. Easy part of a complex shape. You just add up the outside. Area of a complex shape means we have to do this thing called what again? To chunking, right? So we decided to chunk this shape by creating a small little rectangle and a bigger rectangle, yes or no? Could you calculate the area of this rectangle right here? Could you calculate the area of, let me just let that go away. Could you calculate the area of this rectangle right here? Yeah, you know the formula of rectangles. You calculate the area of both of them and then add them together. We good? This guy right here, we actually created a rectangle, and we also had to create a triangle when we were trying to find the area. Again, we know the area formula for a rectangle is what? And the area formula for a triangle is what? We okay? Okay, number 6. This one, again, you had a lot of information to deal with here, right? Plus, you also were dealing with congruent markers. Super important that you pay attention to the lines. Does this line that I just drew extend all the way from end to end? No, it actually ends right here. Is that a full 13 units? No. So we have to be very careful about our lines. Same thing, we actually have right here, this is a parallelogram. This is another parallelogram. If you calculate the area of both of them and add them together, you have the area of a complex shape. Yes, no? Last one. This one, you have a blob. We all drew a blob, didn't we? There's 3 steps. Step 1, if you have a blob, what do we do first? Step 2? Wait. We count. That's I put the wrong word there. We count. Say that again. So we actually are counting all of our partial squares. So is this a partial square right here? And if I add it to this one, would they make a full square? Yeah, sure. Once we have our full squares and our partial squares, we add them together, yes? Are we always going to have the exact same answer as what we come up with? Why is this answer different than that answer? Because why? We good?